everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to project number 3 in my Countdown to Christmas series. Today's project is these little 3x3 Christmas note cards and these pretty glitter envelopes that we're going to put them in. So I'll show you the cards that I've done here. I embossed the front. I just got one of those cuddle bugs, and so I've been playing around with the embossing folders, and I decided to use that on these little note cards. So I've got the background that's embossed, and then they're just 3x3 like I said, and then I used my scallop, I think it's a 2-inch scallop punch, and punched that out in this pretty kind of a soft green glitter paper. And then I punched out a circle with a 1.5-inch circle and stamped on there with this stamp that says peace, and this little Christmas tree on this one. And then here's one that says Noel on it, and done the same way. And then these are the envelopes that I did, and that we're going to make one in a little bit here. So they're really cute. And I did them out of this nice glittery paper, and yeah, I think they turned out really cute. And then I just added some little embellishment on the bottom there with a snowflake and some glitter. And then here's the way I've packaged this one up, just with a little piece of ribbon, and still the snowflake on there. And then the card in this one is it says joy to the world. So they're really cute. You just write a little note to somebody with those, and well, they'd make a really cute gift if you did a few of them, maybe 3 of them together. And so I'm gonna just get set up, and then I will take you through finishing one of the cards and creating the envelopes. Okay, so for the cards, I've got one already embossed here. I did this one in kind of a silvery gray paper, and now I'm going to layer up these punched out pieces that I've got here. So for that, to add this one, I used the little 3D dots, so I'm going to put some of those on the back here. I think it just gives it a nicer look if it's raised up a little bit. I think 3 of those is a good amount for this. So I'm just going to put that on there, and I had already stamped joy to the world on this. So it's like that. And then I've got tape on, tear and tape on the back here, ready to peel off. And then I'm just going to kind of eyeball center this here, and best I can. And we'll stick that on there. So the cards are really basic. I mean, the embossing is kind of the big accent. So there's that one. Stick that there. And then we'll move on to the envelope. And so what you'll need for the envelope is a piece of, if you want to use the glitter type cardstock, you can do that. Or if you just want to use a plain piece of cardstock, or something with another print on it, you can do that. But you'll need it to be a 5.5 by 5.5. And you can, if you have an envelope punch board, you just look on here for the 3x3 cards, and then it tells you the measurement that you need to punch and score at, which is 2 5/8. So I've already started that on here. I've done the first one, and once you do the first one, then you'll just follow that score line and punch that all the way around your 5x5 or 5.5 piece of paper. So let's do this. Just lining up the little notch here. So that's pretty simple. And then we're just gonna score the lines. Or sorry, not score, crease them, I mean. Okay, so it's like that. And then now I'm actually going to bring my envelope punch board back and around the corners, just on the two of the sides here. Like that. And then fold in like this. Actually, I should have rounded the other side, but we'll just trim that off. Okay, what do I need here? Okay, so now I'm just going to add the tear and tape here and just take the backing off. And I find with this foil paper, it's quite thick, so even if you might need to add an extra little piece of tape, or I don't know, maybe glue would even be better to hold these down. So I found I just added extra tape on mine to make sure that it holds. And let's see, and then for the closing, I just put one of these little glue or 3D dots on there. So once you get your card in there, this is the one we made here. So just slide in like that, and then you would just peel the little dot off so it closes. And for the embellishment on the front, I just had these little kind of flocked snowflake stickers, and I added some little gemstones to the center of it. And actually, let's see if I can peel this off without moving it. Okay. And then I just add these to the front of the envelope. So there. So yeah, they're really cute and simple to do. So yeah, I hope you're inspired and you give these a try. Thanks for watching. Bye now.